forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look.
In today's video, we're going to make baked chicken. So here you have our man of the moment, a whole chicken, a tablespoon of paprika, dried thyme, oregano, rosemary, salt and black pepper, garlic and ginger paste, some vinegar, honey, soy sauce, hot and sweet sauce, ketchup, some vegetable oil. In a bowl, I'm going to add some vegetable oil.
Until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. They say be meek, look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. To start again. You won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. Oh, you won't see the light.
I'm going to put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes, then you can bake it.
It's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Hold on, hold on. It's not lost, you're not lost. Hold on.
It's after 40 minutes of marinating the chicken in the fridge. We are going to place the chicken in a preheated oven. I've preheated it for 10 minutes at 180 degrees. We are going to bake it for about 20 minutes. In the same bowl we made the marinade in.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping.
20 minutes later,
Happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun.
We're going to take it back into the oven for another 20 minutes. 40 minutes later.
Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah,